Inside this hangar, a team of scientists is hard at work trying to reverse engineer a UFO. Witnesses reported a massive craft capable of unearthly performance. But what could explain these capabilities? The investigators have already ruled out rockets and rotors as propulsion for the craft reported by Tim Lee. At 8:13, just minutes before Tim Lee's sighting, Prescott, Arizona resident Ann Baker reported a huge chevron-shaped craft with 5 lights moving slowly and silently toward Phoenix from the north. Initially, her description sounds similar to the others, but Baker reported that the craft did something beyond imagination. After slowly drifting by, the bright lights changed color, and the craft accelerated at blinding speeds and shot off towards Phoenix. Physicist Pavlos Michaelides investigates. He applies breakthrough physics to the question of how this craft could fly. The scientist is forced to think outside the box.
Okay, we have basically eliminated all the technologies that are available to us today, so now we have to actually start to expand our thinking to perhaps more advanced concepts.
These concepts are so advanced that they still haven't made it from the drawing board to the launch pad. One is electromagnetic propulsion. This advanced system would be powerful enough to make the huge craft fly. Unlike traditional rockets that use vast amounts of fuel for liftoff, electromagnetism could provide ample power to spacecraft without the need for propellants. To create such an energy source, electromagnets are supercooled to extremely low temperatures, and then electricity is applied to them. At these temperatures, electromagnets demonstrate an unusual behavior. For the first few nanoseconds after electricity is applied, they vibrate. In fact, the magnets vibrate so rapidly, as fast as 400,000 times per second, that they create vast amounts of energy, more than any chemical fuel. If engineers could provide enough power to get it going, then this vibration could provide enough of a jolt to send a craft farther and faster into space than any propulsion system known to man. And it would be silent. Electromagnetic power fits many of the criteria for the craft eyewitnesses described.
The hovering could be performed, the 90-degree turns could be performed, the very high speeds could be performed. As long as you can provide electrical power within reasonable power supply systems, as far as the weight is concerned, all these things could be done.
Electric will do it silently, but we don't have the power to accelerate enough mass. See, that's the key.
That's the key. Power. Electromagnetism could work, but it requires far more power than scientists can currently generate.